Look up at the sky on a clear night. What do you see? The moon, stars, maybe a planet or two. Our familiar view of the cosmos is vast and awe-inspiring, yet it lacks a certain something: rings. Unlike Saturn, our celestial neighbor with its magnificent halo, Earth spins through space unadorned. We're accustomed to our moon's gentle glow, the dance of the constellations, and the predictable rhythm of day and night. Our planet, a blue marble against the black canvas of space, is beautiful in its simplicity. But what if we weren't alone in our celestial neighborhood? What if Earth, too, boasted a dazzling ring system? Imagine a world where, instead of a solitary moon, a vast shimmering band encircled our planet. When we think of rings, Saturn immediately springs to mind. Its magnificent ring system, a breathtaking spectacle of countless icy particles, has captivated astronomers for centuries. These particles, ranging in size from dust grains to small mountains, are thought to be remnants of comets, asteroids, or shattered moons caught in Saturn's gravitational grip. Saturn's rings are not a single solid structure, but rather a complex and dynamic system composed of numerous individual rings separated by gaps. These gaps, some caused by the gravitational influence of Saturn's moons, add to the visual splendor of this celestial ballet. The rings, though vast, are remarkably thin, averaging just a few tens of meters in thickness. Imagine standing on Saturn and gazing up at this celestial halo. The rings would dominate the sky, casting intricate shadows and painting the heavens with ethereal light. Their presence would fundamentally alter Saturn's appearance, transforming it from a gas giant into a celestial wonder unlike any other. Now let's bring this cosmic spectacle closer to home. Imagine Earth, our blue planet, adorned with rings similar to Saturn's. The visual impact alone would be breathtaking. Imagine stepping outside and gazing up at a sky dominated not just by the moon and stars, but by a vast, luminous band encircling our planet. The rings, composed primarily of ice and rock, would reflect sunlight, casting a constant ethereal glow upon Earth. This celestial glow would illuminate the night sky, making darkness a thing of the past. Cities would shimmer under the reflected light, and the stars would pale in comparison to the brilliance of our celestial halo. But the impact of Earth's rings would extend far beyond mere aesthetics. The presence of such a massive structure would have profound effects on our planet's weather patterns, tides, and even our technology. The rings could disrupt satellite communications, alter the Earth's magnetic field, and even pose a potential hazard to spacecraft and astronauts. Imagine the night sky ablaze with the reflected light of billions of icy particles. The rings would be visible at all hours, their appearance changing with the time of day and the Earth's position in its orbit. During the day, they would shimmer like a celestial rainbow, their colors shifting with the angle of the sun. At night, the rings would cast a soft, ethereal glow upon the Earth, illuminating the landscape with an otherworldly light. The stars, though still visible, would be outshone by the brilliance of our celestial halo. The Milky Way, our galaxy's majestic spiral arm, would be a faint ribbon of light against the backdrop of the rings. The moon, too, would be transformed. Its familiar phases would be overlaid with the intricate patterns of the rings, creating a celestial ballet of light and shadow. Eclipses, both solar and lunar, would become far more frequent and visually spectacular events as the rings, the moon, and the sun aligned in a cosmic dance. The presence of rings would undoubtedly have shaped the course of human history. From ancient civilizations gazing up in awe to modern astronomers studying their intricate structure, our understanding of the cosmos would have been profoundly different. Navigation, for example, would have relied on the rings as celestial guides, shaping the journeys of explorers and the maps they created. The constant illumination from the rings would have influenced the evolution of life on Earth, affecting plant growth, animal behavior, and even human sleep patterns. We might have developed different cultural practices, mythologies, and religions inspired by the awe-inspiring presence of the rings. Technologically, we would have faced unique challenges and opportunities. Satellite communication would require innovative solutions to avoid interference from the rings. Space exploration would be both more hazardous and more enticing, with the rings offering both a potential resource and a formidable obstacle. Perhaps the most profound impact of Earth possessing rings would be on our philosophical and cultural perspectives. The constant presence of such a grand, celestial structure would serve as a constant reminder of humanity's place within the vastness of the cosmos. We would see ourselves not just as inhabitants of Earth, but as citizens of a ringed planet, a unique and awe-inspiring world within the cosmic tapestry. The study of Earth's rings would become a central focus of scientific inquiry, driving the development of new technologies and expanding our understanding of planetary science, astronomy, and the universe itself. The rings would become an integral part of our cultural identity, inspiring artists, writers, and musicians to explore new frontiers of creativity. Living under the rings would foster a sense of wonder and a deeper appreciation for the beauty and fragility of our planet. It would be a constant reminder that we are part of something far greater than ourselves, a cosmic ballet of celestial objects dancing to the tune of gravity. And who knows, perhaps the presence of rings would have even spurred us to reach for the stars sooner, driven by the desire to explore the wonders that lie beyond our ringed world.